vertices overlap so that enclosed area is 0 at t equals 0. I'll show the two conductors. It will be what is actually the diagram. So it is, oh, there's a fixed conductor. Yeah, we'll go for diagram like this. This is a fixed conductor. It is moved with a constant speed. So after some time, we can expect it to be here. And again after some time, so we can expect it to be here. Okay, now get into the concept. So it is moving with a speed v. 10 meter per second, constant, b bar everywhere, b bar is present. Different shape structures can be asked like this here. I think somehow if you can calculate this, so we'll get the area of the loop. And if you can calculate area of the loop at any time t, so we'll get, I think such numericals is what we have discussed. There I moved a rod. Here I took L-shaped conductor. So this is a movable. This is t equal to 0. Very fast imagination, very fast imagination, you have to do it. So this will be R. What is R? R equal to Vt. So definitely this angle should be 45 degrees. So X should be equal to Y. So cos sine 45 equal to X by R, X equal to R by root 2. Vt by root 2. Okay, now we know X and Y. So what is the flux linking it? B into A. Then EMF induced d phi by dt. B square V square T. Then is asking current E by R. And the closed conductor as an resistance 0.010 ohms per meter. What to do now? I think we need resistance of this one. No? So what is the resistance R? How you calculate R? R should be equal to resistance per unit length, lambda into 2x plus 2y. Lambda value we know, and x and y that also. So 2 lambda. So this will be 4 lambda. X will come. X is what? Vt by root 2. B square V by 2 root 2 lambda.
B square will not be only B will be.
Oh, yeah, I think. Yeah. What about will move external agent? No. So external agent has to come into picture. You should apply force. What is the power generated by external agent? F external into V. How much of external agent you should apply force? How the current will flow? Clockwise. Is it okay? Magnetic field into the plane, positive flux increasing, define positive EMF induced negative. So the current here will be clockwise. How to calculate this external force? So a BL force will act here, BIY. Similarly here, BIX. So what is the resultant force? It should be external force. How much I should apply? Root 2 BIX. Component of that forces. Okay, substitute. So something you may ask you questions of these kind also. Let me take the next question.
Sir, 35.
35. Let me check once. Answer 35. Yeah, fine.
Nearest integer is 35, sir.
Nearest integer. Round off to nearest integer.
I will be
35.5. 30.35. 35.35. Nearest will be 35. I'll scroll down. We'll take one more problem. Yeah.